In this video, I show you how to upload HD videos to TikTok. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. And please do watch this video right until the end to the full steps for this guide. And without any further ado, let's go and jump into this. I'm now on the TikTok app, but this guide is going to work regardless of the device type, so it's going to work on Android and all other types of phone as well. So the first thing you want to do is have your HD video ready. So personally, I went and recorded one on my camera on my phone, but of course you may have one transferred from your PC or somewhere else which is HD, and you want to make sure it's loaded onto TikTok in HD. So all you want to do is go and press on the post icon, which is the plus in the middle bottom bar, so click that. And as you can see, here I am. I'm going to go and click on upload, and then it's going to go and show my whole camera roll. Then you want to go and select the video you want to go and upload. So I'm going to use this one on the bottom, then go and click next. And then it's going to go and show you your video, and you can go and add more clips, of course, and rotate them. I'm going to go and click next. Then once we're here, you can go and add any text or sounds or effects you want to add. So I could just go and add hi, just like so. Then go and click done. Then go and click next. Now once you're here, you want to go and describe your video as you usually would. And then once you've done that, you want to scroll right to the bottom to where it says more options. Go and click on more options. And as you can see here, we've got this option here saying allow high quality uploads. You then want to go and press the switch on that, and it's going to go and turn it on. And then the video is going to be uploaded in the higher quality, which should be HD depending on what the quality of the video actually is. In this case, mine was 1080p 60 FPS. So it's then going to be uploaded in the higher quality. Then you can go and press off the X, go and describe it, for example, test. Then I'm going to go and click on done, go and post it. And as it did say, it's going to take a bit longer to post. So just wait for this to post. And there we go, guys. It's now gone and uploaded, and it is high quality compared to the older videos. If you found this video useful, please go down below and subscribe to the channel. Leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.